Hi, I'm Pascal from Ride and Glide, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to customise your Onewheel XR.
Let's get your Onewheel XR out of the box and get ready to customise it. First of all, let's fit the new fender. Take out the 4 screws in each corner of the rails, either side of the wheel. Now place your fender over the tyre and line up with the 4 screw holes. Using the longer screws provided in the fender set, screw them into each corner, which fixes your fender down to the board with the Allen key provided. Like every Onewheel accessory, the fenders are no different. They come in a variety of colours, so pick whichever one suits you. Secondly, let's move on to fitting the rails. Remove them from their packaging. Whichever colour you've got, like the fenders, they come in a variety. Lay them out in front of you. You'll see you get 2 side pieces for each side of the board, 2 top pieces and 2 bottom pieces. To correctly line up the side pieces, they come with some holes in them. Make sure these holes are lined up with the holes on the board. There's a power button hole, axle bolt holes and a charger port plug hole to give you an idea of exactly where to put the rails. Once you're happy, take the sticky tape off the back and firmly press them into place. Hold them for a few seconds until they're completely bonded. Now you move on to the top piece and the bottom piece. Just as a note, the bottom strip is see-through, so you can see the serial number through it if required on the bottom of the rail. Fit these on, and now your Onewheel looks awesome. And finally, we move on to the bumpers. These also come in an array of colours, just like the fenders and the rails, to customise your board exactly how you want it. Firstly, place the board carefully onto its back, and we'll start at the front of the board where you have to remove the first 6 screws. Secondly, flip the board back over and remove the screws that are holding the front foot pad down. Lift the foot pad up and you'll see that there are 2 more screws underneath that need to be released before the bumper can be removed from the front. Being really careful not to damage your front foot pad sensor, start to pull the front bumper out. Once your front bumper is slotted into place, put the 2 screws back in that are underneath the foot pad first, and then the 2 screws on top of the foot pad, putting that back down solidly. Flip the board over, reinstall the 6 screws that you took out originally, and once you're happy that everything is secured, the front is done and we move on to the back. Following the same process that we did at the front, and remove the 6 screws like we did before. Carefully putting the board back onto its front, remove the 2 screws holding the back foot pad down, lift this up and then remove 2 screws underneath which will release the rear bumper. Pull the bumper out and replace with your new bumper. Once you're happy with the position of the rear bumper, replace the 2 screws on the top, fit the rear foot pad back down, put those 2 screws back in, carefully flip the board over and then re-screw in the 6 screws that were taken out originally. For a bit of added protection, you can buy a port plug cover in a variety of colours just like your rails, bumpers and fenders to really finish off your board. Your XR is now complete. These are the colours we used. We think these look cool, but why not try it out yourself on our website? We've got a customiser, so you can use all of the different colours on there and see which ones you like together. View our products at www.rideandglide.co.uk. Get us on the phone, get us on live chat, send an email, get us on social media. We've always got time to talk. Come in for a demo if you like. There's always someone here who's more than willing to show someone around and get them going on a Onewheel.